Our play is called Animals, and it's from Stellenbosch University.
You said you had a one.
There's these three seemingly random characters, and then they have to find out how they're connected or why they're in that space to get out.
Ah, finally awake.
Their lives are in danger because of these fates or
These
witches.
these mythical creatures.
The flick of a match and then whoosh! All those people running around on fire, just completely ablaze, screaming.
Ah, it hurts. Their blood beginning to boil, their skin just drying up and cracking, spitting like fat on a stove, their little eyeballs shrinking back into their little skulls, and you can just imagine this.
They smell their own flesh burning.
And it smells like pork, like bacon.
And then they start suffocating on it, on their own smoke, and they're thinking, maybe someone cares. Then they die. Just imagine 29 of them.
We are very excited, and because this is our first year, or at least our first year, during this competition. This is also my first year at Grahamstown.
In the archive, sorting and resorting all the old files. I didn't have a choice.
You know you didn't have a choice.
Just leave it.